guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Buam. So today I will go to visit one waterfall. It's located in Thangbali and Umladkhur. Okay, the beautiful waterfall they call SOLUDONG waterfall. Okay, if you want to visit SOLUDONG waterfall, just come with me. I will visit me and meiduh. Okay, in SOLUDONG waterfall. It's a very good waterfall. I can't believe. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, like, comment my video. That's it. Thank you.
Te ini meiduh jonga. Okay, iya nakman iya lam lunti bangin leg no sa SOLUDONG. Te la jan poi sa tang kumto si la poi. Okay, te mentang la poi. It's a very beautiful waterfall. I already told you, right? It's a very beautiful waterfall. I can't believe, I can't expect. Okay, so this is located in Umladkhur, Thangbali. So if you want to visit here, just visit. It's a very beautiful waterfall. Okay, me and meiduh I'm so excited. Meiduh also is dancing, acting. Okay, like an actress. I take some video for her. She acting like an actress, but my camera is not good. Okay, so no problem. Is my camera also is not good. Just I want to take some video. I will get to keep in my YouTube channel. So don't forget to watch till to the end of this video. Okay, wait, I will show you.
Finally, we reach SOLUDONG now. Me and meiduh. Ada ceria.
This is me. I don't know how to acting because te mentang ilalig no naga SOLUDONG waterfall te bye. Okay, te ngin sapen iya pi andala te ngila posne shalom si kejeng internet ki khun kamaryang. Okay, pe kesate sesun benang ro jeng internet de te ngaring video yang ngabat ya meiduh jong na pe. Okay, kejeng internet kamaryang we will go back to home. Okay, namar bang iladep visit ya iladep page ya to ko iladep ya ban ayu iladep shandor iladep ayu barok khat te ni la lek no nang te ni dang lenti kalentir ka bes ba. Okay, bun ba ke bagi page yang ni bang ilek video tambah ni remo ki ai men simpat yang ni. Okay, te ka sunyang lu ka bes ba te ngila jan poi sa ko pat ka Okay, dengan pen iya pigidor bang ision ha ka SOLUDONG waterfall. Just look. Okay, ini kidor bangi Sean has SOLUDONG waterfall. It's a very good, right? Thank you for your watching my video. Okay, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe my video. So thank you so much.